All right, so we've got the MacBook Air 15-inch 2024, and I've used this now for several months, probably about 6 months or more. And the reason I got it is because I wanted something that would be faster than the previous thing I had, which was a MacBook Pro, I think 2020 or 2019, and also be thin, as I'm sure you know, MacBook Airs are very thin. And so I like that. It's very powerful. What I do is I just edit content and blog articles and things like that, and sometimes edit videos, right, using iMovie. And it's more than fast enough to do all of that. It has kind of like this low rise keyboard, very, very easy to type on, huge trackpad, which is great for multi finger gestures, things like that. And I have no complaints. Basically, I use this for content. I take it when I travel, and it's so fast that I don't really need anything else. I feel that I don't need the MacBook Pro. Maybe I would if I was doing like a lot of really heavy rendering and graphic design, maybe, but I don't do that, so I haven't noticed it being slow at all. And yeah, this is the 15-inch one. So this is probably best for people like students, most professionals, people who just want a simple, fast laptop that's just easy to use. You don't have to think about it, reliable, super fast. Maybe if you are doing like really high-end graphics and rendering, maybe you would need a bit of extra memory. So maybe, MacBook Pro or something like that would be better. But for, I would say, 90% of people, the everyday person, this is more than enough. This is like, in my opinion, the best kind of value, the best one that you could get.